Hey everyone, welcome back to Spanish Buddy. I'm Sophia, and today we're going to practice something that every Spanish learner needs: common Spanish questions and answers you can use in real life.
And I'm Carlos. This lesson is perfect if you've ever frozen during a conversation because someone asked you a simple question in Spanish and your brain suddenly stopped working.
That happens to all of us. I remember one time someone asked me, "Cómo estás?" and I got nervous and answered with my favorite food.
Honestly, tacos are still a pretty good answer.
True. But today, we're going to make sure you feel more confident answering everyday Spanish questions naturally.
We'll cover greetings, personal questions, travel questions, shopping questions, restaurant conversations, and casual daily conversations.
By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to ask and answer common Spanish questions without sounding robotic or overly formal.
And we'll also help with pronunciation and natural speaking rhythm.
Don't worry if you're shy. You don't need perfect grammar to have real conversations.
You just need useful phrases and confidence.
Have you ever tried answering questions in Spanish in real life?
Maybe while traveling, online, or with friends.
Tell us in the comments because we love hearing your experiences.
And if you enjoy practical Spanish lessons, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Spanish Buddy.
I'm Sophia.
And I'm Carlos.
All right, let's start learning real Spanish questions and answers.
Let's begin.
Let's start with the most common beginner questions in Spanish.
Most conversations begin with simple question and answer patterns,
For example, greeting plus response.
or question plus answer.
The first important question is, ¿Cómo estás? How are you?
Pronunciation, Cómo estás?
Repeat after me. ¿Cómo estás?
Common answers include, Estoy bien, I'm good.
Or muy bien, very good.
Repeat after me, Estoy bien.
Another super common question, ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name?
Answer, Me llamo Carlos. My name is Carlos.
Pronunciation, me llamo Carlos.
Repeat after me, Me llamo Carlos.
Another important question, ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from?
Answer, Soy de Pakistan. I'm from Pakistan.
Repeat after me. Soy de Pakistan.
Pronunciation, Soy de Pakistan.
Now let's learn ¿Qué haces? What do you do?
You can answer, Soy estudiante. I'm a student.
Or trabajo en una oficina. I work in an office.
Repeat after me. Soy estudiante.
Let's practice a mini conversation.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien. ¿Y tú?
Muy bien, gracias. Very good, thank you.
Another useful question, ¿Qué hora es? What time is it?
Or, ¿dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom?
These are questions you'll hear all the time while traveling or meeting people.
Pronunciation practice. Gracias sounds like gracias.
Repeat after me. Gracias.
Let's practice asking and answering naturally.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Carlos.
¿De dónde eres?
Soy de México.
Excellent.
Now let's learn negative answers.
No sé. I don't know.
No entiendo. I don't understand.
Pronunciation, no entiendo.
Repeat after me. No entiendo.
Can you say this in Spanish? I'm good.
Estoy bien.
Great job.
Now say, I don't know.
No sé. Perfect. Remember, simple answers are completely normal in Spanish conversations.
Short, confident answers sound natural.
Quick summary. ¿Cómo estás? Means, how are you? Me llamo means, my name is. No entiendo means, I don't understand.
Excellent work so far.
Now let's move into real-life conversations where these questions naturally appear.
This is where Spanish becomes practical and fun.
Imagine meeting someone at a cafe.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Sofía. ¿Y tú?
Soy Carlos. Mucho gusto.
Igualmente. Likewise.
Very natural conversation.
Now let's do a restaurant example.
Waiter, ¿qué desea? What would you like?
You, quisiera un café, por favor. I'd like a coffee, please.
Pronunciation, quisiera un café, por favor.
Repeat after me. Quisiera un café, por favor.
At a store, you might hear, ¿necesita ayuda? Do you need help?
You can answer, sí, gracias. Yes, thank you.
Or, no, gracias.
Let's compare formal and informal Spanish.
Informal, ¿cómo estás?
Formal, ¿cómo está usted?
Informal, ¿cómo te llamas?
Formal, ¿cómo se llama usted?
Formal Spanish sounds more respectful.
Informal Spanish sounds relaxed and friendly.
Native speakers often shorten conversations.
Instead of, estoy muy bien el día de hoy.
They usually just say, muy bien.
Short answers are common and natural.
Let's do an airport example.
Worker, ¿a dónde va? Where are you going?
You, voy a Madrid. I'm going to Madrid.
Another useful travel question. ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost?
Repeat after me. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Pronunciation, ¿cuánto cuesta?
Mini practice activity.
First, ask someone's name.
¿Cómo te llamas?
Second, ask where someone is from.
¿De dónde eres?
Third, ask for help.
¿Puede ayudarme?
Excellent.
Leave a comment introducing yourself in Spanish using today's phrases.
Even one sentence is great practice.
Repeat after me. Mucho gusto. ¿Cómo estás? Quisiera un café.
Amazing work.
These are real questions and answers native speakers use every single day.
Now let's focus on sounding more natural in everyday conversations.
This includes casual chatting, texting, and quick social conversations.
Imagine meeting someone at school or work.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, gracias. ¿Y tú?
Todo bien. Everything's good.
Todo bien is very common in casual Spanish.
Repeat after me. Todo bien.
Another casual phrase, ¿qué pasa? What's up?
Pronunciation. ¿Qué pasa?
Common answers include nada, nothing.
Or todo bien.
Let's practice a WhatsApp-style conversation.
Hola, ¿qué haces?
Estoy trabajando. I'm working.
Y después, and after that,
Voy al gimnasio. I'm going to the gym.
very natural texting Spanish.
Here's another useful question. ¿Hablas inglés? Do you speak English?
You can answer, sí, un poco. Yes, a little.
Or no mucho, not much.
Repeat after me. Sí, un poco.
Pronunciation, sí, un poco.
Let's slow down pronunciation practice.
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Qué haces?
¿Qué haces?
Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
Now a short listening style dialogue.
Hola, ¿cómo te llamas?
Me llamo Sofía.
¿De dónde eres?
Soy de España.
¿Hablas inglés?
Sí, un poco.
Perfect.
Another important tip. Don't translate word for word from English.
Focus on common phrases instead.
Native speakers care more about communication than perfect grammar.
Pause and repeat after me. ¿Qué pasa? Todo bien. No entiendo.
Excellent work.
Quick review. ¿Qué pasa means what's up. Todo bien means everything's good. Sí un poco means yes, a little.
Let's talk about common mistakes learners make with Spanish questions and answers.
These mistakes are completely normal when starting out.
First mistake, direct English translation.
Wrong. ¿Qué tú haces?
Correct, ¿qué haces?
Spanish usually doesn't need extra words like do or you in simple questions.
Another mistake is pronunciation.
Many learners pronounce gracias like gracious.
More natural pronunciation, gracias.
Repeat after me. Gracias.
Another common issue is mixing formal and informal Spanish.
Wrong. ¿Cómo estás usted?
Correct informal, ¿cómo estás?
Correct formal. ¿Cómo está usted?
Another funny mistake, some learners answer every question with sí.
Even when they don't understand.
That can create very confusing conversations.
Instead, say, no entiendo. I don't understand.
Or, puede repetir. Can you repeat that?
Repeat after me. Puede repetir.
Pronunciation, puede repetir.
Mistakes happen because your brain wants to use English patterns.
That's completely normal.
The solution is listening and speaking practice.
Let's do correction practice.
Wrong. Yo soy llamo Carlos.
Correct. Me llamo Carlos.
Wrong. ¿Qué tú haces?
Correct. ¿Qué haces?
Great job.
Remember, every mistake teaches you something useful.
Confidence grows through practice, not perfection.
Time for a quick challenge. Choose the correct sentence.
Situation 1. Ask someone's name.
Option A, ¿Cómo te llamas?
Option B. ¿Qué tu nombre?
Correct answer, option A.
Situation 2. Say you're good.
Option A, Estoy bien.
Option B. Yo bien soy.
Correct answer, Estoy bien.
Situation 3. Ask for help politely.
Option A, ¿Puede ayudarme?
Option B. Tu ayuda yo.
Correct answer, ¿Puede ayudarme?
Situation 4. Say you don't understand.
Option A, No entiendo.
Option B. No comprender.
Correct answer, No entiendo.
Repeat after me. ¿Cómo estás? Mucho gusto. No sé.
Excellent.
Now create your own Spanish question and answer.
Even a short conversation is great practice.
Speak out loud for better pronunciation and confidence.
Keep practicing small conversations every day.
Focus on communication, not perfection.
Amazing job today, everyone. You learned some of the most common Spanish questions and answers used in everyday life.
We practiced greetings, introductions, travel questions, shopping conversations, restaurant phrases, and casual daily Spanish.
We also learned how native speakers keep conversations simple and natural.
Remember these 3 key ideas. First, keep your answers short and clear. Second, practice speaking out loud. Third, don't fear mistakes.
Every conversation helps your confidence grow.
What Spanish question do you want to learn next?
Tell us in the comments and suggest the next Spanish Buddy lesson topic.
And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Spanish Buddy.
Keep practicing every single day.
Little by little, your Spanish will become more natural and confident.
Thanks for learning with us today.
See you next time.